Hello everyone, myself is Sagar. Welcome back to another video. We are solving SQL 15, the lead code. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So far, we have solved 14 SQL 50 from the lead code. So we have completed our select questions based on select and questions based on basic joins. Now we'll be entering into the basic aggregation function. Now, so far we have done these many things. What we have to do is we have to solve this. We have to understand the concept and try to solve few more questions on HackerRank at least, so that you can do wide range of problems on based on joins. So that would be recommended. Now, for now, we'll jump into the aggregation functions and see the next set of questions. That is not boring movies. Okay, so let's see what's the question is. So it says that we have a table called cinema. Okay, ID, movie, description, and rating are the columns. It says ID is a primary key for this table. Okay, now each row contains the information of name of the movie, its genre, and its rating. Okay, rating is 2 decimal place the float. Okay, now what we have to do here, write the solution to report the movies with odd numbered IDs and description that is not boring. We have seen a lot of movies, right? In that we can describe it is exciting, frictional, boring. So we have the description, right? So it says we need to get all movies from the table which are not boring. Obviously, boring movies no one care, and the ID should be what? Odd. So that's what it says. And it says the result should be ordered by ratings in the descending order. It's simple question. Just what we have to do. There's no joins, nothing. It's just one table. We have to have some where clause and we have to put order by. That's it. We are saying select star from what table? Cinema. Cinema is the table where it says ID percentage of 2 equal to not equal to 1. ID percentage of 2 equal to 1. Why we are doing this? Now, percentage is nothing but modulus. We are doing modulus. So what is modulus? If anything, a modulus of, suppose 1 modulus of 2 is what? What will be the remainder of this? Always 1. So modulus, what it gives? It gives the remainder of the anything we pass. Okay. So if anything with the odd number as a reminder is what? It's nothing but odd number. So what we say? ID, we say modulus of ID is equal to 1. And one more case is there, right? It says description should not be equal to boring. Description is not equal. This is a not equal sign. Not equal to what? Boring. Okay, boring. Now next is what? Last case, that is order by, we have to do, right? Order by rating. Order by rating in what? In descending order they want. So you what say? Just say descend. That's it. You run this. It's a straightforward, simple question. After solving last difficult question, that's a medium level question that was a bit confusing also, right? Tricky level. Now we got a very simple question. That's the reason lead code is effective. You have that one hard level question, and next they will give you a very easy level question which can build your confidence, and at least you can solve these 50 questions which will be helpful for clearing of your interview. I hope you like this video. We'll continue this series and we'll see the next question in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.